Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, since my first year, I was less aware about the importance of CGPA, so I kept focusing on web development, building the projects, and DSA. Then my seniors told me you must have at least 8 CGPA for own campus placements. At that time, I was like, bro, is this the end? Ab kya karu main? Then I started enhancing my resume so that my low CGPA would not become the reason for the rejection in campus placements. From that time, I learned a lot how to make a good resume, what mistakes we can avoid, which section should come on top, how to explain the projects, कोई hackathon में part लिया है तो उसे कैसे लिखें. All of these questions will be answered in this video. So watch the video till the end. I'll share my resume also. मैंने कौन कौन से section add करे हुए हैं, certifications कैसे add करी हुई हैं मैंने. I'll show the complete resume which got shortlisted for SWE role in Google. So let's start the video. सबसे पहले मैं मेरे रेज्यूमे का रेफरेंस मैं आपको एक अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूंगी फॉर ईच सेक्शन एंड देन हम कुछ बच्चों के रेज्यूमे देखेंगे 10 रेज्यूमे उन्होंने क्या-क्या मिस्टेक्स करी हुई हैं दैट यू कैन अवॉइड सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So there are two main steps in your resume making journey. The first one is to make it using any template and the second one is to get it reviewed by your seniors because your seniors know better than you that this keyword can increase the ATS score, okay? Coming to the platforms where you can create your resume, the first is Overleaf, which is well known, and the second one is Flow CV. The resume which you will see in some time in the video is created on Flow CV only. According to me, my personal opinion, Flow CV is best because on Overleaf you need to edit the code part, but in Flow CV it's just drag and drop. So let's move to my resume and we'll cover each and every section like the skills, education, achievements, certifications, extracurricular roles and responsibilities and everything. So let's start. So this is my resume. You can take the screenshot if you want and I'll cover each and every section. सबसे पहले जो ये प्रोफाइल सेक्शन है इसमें आपका लिंक्डइन गिटहब मेरी यहाँ पे पर्सनल वेबसाइट है जो मेरा खुद का मेजर प्रोजेक्ट है वो है एंड देन यूट्यूब आ गया. उसके बाद एजुकेशन सेक्शन की बात करते हैं. पहले मैंने डिग्री मेंशन करी हुई है देन फॉलोड बाय द कॉलेज नेम एंड ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड CGPA and then the class 12th and 10th. Then the skill section covers technical skills, soft skills, and foreign language. So you can divide the skill section into two or three columns and then write your skills like technical skills separately, soft skills separately. And I have mentioned my programming language Java, in which I do DSA, then the web development, and then CS fundamentals, which are the most important keywords for getting your resume shortlisted in any online assessment, especially for off campus. Okay. Then technical experience includes my internship in SAP. Since I did integration test cases there, so I have written that and I've added the timeline also. So adding the timeline and the link is very important in the resume. Okay. Then in the projects, I have added my latest project on the top and then the older project below. So write your projects like your project name, then colon, and then your text and followed by the link. Okay. Then certification, I did Microsoft AZ900 certification. So I have written what I did in that. Like I learned cloud computing with Azure, everything including compute storage. So I have written that, and I have also mentioned the year in which I did. Mentioning the year and attaching the link of any certificate or the project is very important in the resume. In the achievement section, I have written like the hackathons which I won. I was top 10 in Devcation, so I've written that also. हैकेथॉन्स में जाने से आपका ये फ़ायदा होता है कि जितने हैकेथॉन्स में आप जाओगे उतने ही आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स बनते जाते हैं. तो अब मैंने यहाँ पे तो मेरी लिंक है प्रोजेक्ट की, सर्टिफिकेट की और यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट की लिंक है. तो बहुत अच्छा इम्पैक्ट डालता है ऑन द इंटरव्यूअर. ओके. Then roles and responsibilities, I have written president. Firstly, the role, which role I am playing. I am the president and the society name, IGDT resource. And then describe about what you did in that society as on that role. Don't write about what your society do, write what you do in that. Okay. Now we will see 10 more resumes which I'll review and उनको आप देख सकते हो कि उसमें क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स है जो आप अवॉइड कर सकते हो so that आपका AT स्कोर डिक्रीज ना हो. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट वन. इसमें देखें तो इन्होंने CGPA मेंशन नहीं करी हुई विच इज़ द नेगेटिव पॉइंट. देन जो ये न्यू दिल्ली इंडिया लिखा हुआ है इसको स्वैप करो विद अगस्त 2022. देन योर स्कूल ऑफ एक्सीलेंस, बेसिकली यू कैन राइट सीनियर सेकेंडरी देन बिलो दैट स्कूल नेम एंड देन द परसेंटेज. Rename technical skills to skills and then write programming languages, Python, C++, and remove JavaScript, HTML, CSS from languages and add it into a new heading. You can make like web development and then add write programming here and shift these to new heading web development. And since you are in third year, so add CS fundamentals topic also and write DBMS, oops, data structures, operating system into that. Okay, then in experience, okay, what role you are playing and in which you did, this is fine and this is also fine. In projects no timeline is there, this will be a negative point on the interviewer, so make sure you are adding the link of the project and the timeline also. एंड यहाँ पे देखो इन्होंने एक जगह बुलेट पॉइंट यूज़ करे हुए हैं, एक जगह स्टार मार्क है, तो या तो बुलेट पॉइंट यूज़ करो या स्टार मार्क, फैंसी चीज़ें नहीं रखनी है। ओके, और जब आप इस स्किल सेक्शन को रीनेम करोगे टू स्किल्स, तो यहाँ पे एक और हेडिंग डालना सॉफ्ट स्किल्स की और उसके अंदर लिखना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, लीडरशिप, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, जो आपको सूटेबल लगता है आपके लिए। ठीक है। See, in education section, you can like, I'll suggest you to swap EC on top and then college name, and also you should write like CGPA. If you are writing like in this, I have written here, okay, like CGPA साइड में लिखी हुई है मैंने, इन्होंने CGPA इसमें CGPA नहीं लिखी हुई, ये मिस्टेक हो रहा है, ठीक है। तो इसको एक सब हेडिंग में देना या फिर यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रेट स्लैश लगा के फिर लिखना ताकि वो डिफरेंशिएट हो पाए। और यहाँ पे भी ये मिस्टेक है कि यू शुड राइट योर टाइम और एकेडमिक ईयर फर्स्ट एंड देन ऑन बिलो योर like place name, and no need of writing these, just write the like degree name and the percentage. Okay, technical skills, it is a wrong name of the section, you should write like skills, then you can write like here below the line technical skills. And she is having one more mistake, she has not written soft skills, so CS fundamentals and soft skills should be added. Okay, programming languages, okay, database should be a new heading, like programming language libraries and tools, you should make a new heading of database and then write SQL. Libraries and tools, okay, soft skills, okay, work ethic you can remove. You can write problem solving in a soft skills because it is a very good keyword for increasing the ATS score. And since you are in third year, same for you, you should add CS fundamental section also, like data structures and algorithms, oops, DBMS or operating systems, these subjects. Okay, then in work experience, rename it to experience only. And okay, Python full stack development intern, okay, don't write current doing, you can write like present. Okay, data science intern, okay. See this line, five projects are done on machine learning concept, also known about how to use Google Colab platform, GitHub Kaggle. Just rephrase it, okay? Then okay, fine. In projects, same mistake. The link should be like in the project name only. First write the project name, then slash, then the text, then slash, then link. Okay? Like I have added project name, text, then link, and then the description. And timeline is also missing here. Okay, in certifications, okay, you can write like this only, like data visualization slash empowering business this, and then the link of certification. How the recruiter will see like you have a certificate or not. In extracurricular, I won in elocution competition at my college, don't write like I won in district. Okay, write like these, the concepts worked out, something unique should be there in the resume. Coming to the next resume, one mistake she had made is she has written the full LinkedIn profile, so don't write full LinkedIn profile, instead of it write like this, LinkedIn and the icon and then embed link inside that. Okay, coming to this, okay, Don't write in bracket CSC, and write it CGPA, and don't write latest semester, and swap the position. And okay, class 12th. Okay. In projects, Algo view, see how beautifully she has named the project, the timeline, and the text. This is the perfect example of how you should write your projects. And see the name also of the projects. These are very unique. So somebody who is screening a resume, who is reviewing her resume, he or she will like stick to it and will curiously search for it. What is Redberry? Okay. I'll suggest you to bring your technical skill section below the education and rename your technical skills to the skills only. And then write here programming languages, and then remove the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and put it them into web development category. Okay. And put your SQL in coursework only. You can rename coursework to CS fundamentals. Okay. Rest is fine. Projects are fine. Okay. Positions or position of responsibilities. Okay. Instead of this, you can write roles and responsibilities. President, Rotary Club, okay, leading a team. See how beautifully she is like explained. She is leading a team of this number of members, these number of teams, and what she is doing. She is not explaining what the club do. She is explaining what she do. Okay. Certifications, okay. I feel if you can like insert the link here also, like आपने जो सर्टिफिकेट करी हुई है उसका अगर आप लिंक डाल दोगे तो रिक्रूटर जो है वो चेक कर पाएंगे कि हाँ सच्ची में आपके पास सर्टिफिकेट है या नहीं है. And in achievements, what you can do, Millennium Fellow, okay, do add the timeline here and then use one bullet point to explain what is this achievement about. What are you doing in that fellowship? Okay, you can remove this line, and instead of that this line you can add one description for Millennium Fellow. Okay, rest is fine. Her project section is very beautiful, like timeline, link, how she has explained the text, unique name of her projects. So coming to the next resume, Himanshu, I would suggest you to write your academic details to education, and don't write this like this is not needed, and remove this percentage sign also. And instead of internships, you can write technical experience, and then you need to change your template because the timeline should come in right part, and this description should come below your heading in the bullet points. Okay, like like they have added na, first is the heading, then your bullet points. So choose some new template. I'll give the template link in the description, and rename the technical skills to skills only. Write programming languages, don't write proficient, these things. And remove HTML, CSS this part and put it into new category like web development. And since you are in fourth year, so you need to write CS fundamentals, data structures also in the skill section. And in the certifications, you can describe what you did in these certifications also. Okay, because your resume is looking very short, so if you will provide the description of these certifications, it will cover the most of the resume. Okay. And one more mistake was there in your resume, like you have written full LinkedIn profile. Write just LinkedIn, add the icon, and then embed the link inside that word, like he has done this icon and then the only LinkedIn word, and then you will embed the link inside that. Okay. So this is the second resume. As you can see in the profile section, she has added LinkedIn, GitHub, and portfolio, which is nice. The education section is also nice. She has divided skills into three parts. Again, good. Now what you can do is increase the column width in the customization section in Flow CV so that your B of MongoDB comes here. Okay. Remove Canva, not needed. And the technical experience, this is not the technical experience. In technical experience, we write the things we did in an internship. Like I did my internship in SAP, so I'll write that part in technical experience. Okay, these things should go into achievement section. Your project section is nice. In certificate section, you have written prototype ideathon. Then again you are writing participated in an ideathon. You are repeating the same words again and again. So instead of writing this, you can write what you did in that ideathon. What was your project? What was your idea? Okay. Then if you remove this part, and your roles and responsibility will come above, and resume should be of one page only, not of two pages. Okay. Coming to next resume, the profile section is nice. Don't write this. Just write 8.56 CGPA. Don't write work experience. Only write experience. Mentor, data science intern. Okay. Projects. Now in projects, you need to add the timeline here. You can write the source code below the timeline, but on the top, timeline should be there. Like in which year you made your project. Okay. And your third name of the project, web development, chatting web. Delete this and keep this only. Okay. Rename technical skills to skills, write the programming languages, and don't write this thing. Front end, okay. You can remove tools part. Rename certifications and honors to certificates, and this is fine, okay. You can easily remove this part from your resume because it is increasing the number of pages also, okay. Rest is fine. This is the next resume. You can remove Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh from the profile section, and you have not written the CGPA. Then okay, this is fine, this is also fine. Projects, where is the link of the project, where is the timeline of the project, these two are most important things. And if you have deployed your project, what you can do is use square brackets, write the word live, and embed the link inside that, okay. And since you have used GitHub icon here, what you can do is put the icon here and then put the repository link inside that, okay. Don't write GitHub, and don't make separate bullet point for that. Same for these. And here, see, you have given the slash. Now what after the slash? Why this space is empty? Rename technical skills to skills and write programming languages. Put JavaScript, HTML, CSS into the new category of web development. Okay. And since you are in second year, okay. So once you come in third year, add the CS fundamental section also. Coding profile is okay. In certifications, don't write issued in January 2024. Write what you did in that certification, what you did in this course, okay, what all you learned, what skills you learned, what projects you made, okay. And also give the timeline of certifications also. This is the next resume. The profile section looks very nice. Education is okay. In experience, since you were a software engineer intern, what you can do is you can rename this to technical experience, okay. Now bring this complete part to here and add the timeline here. Okay. Since you used GitHub icon here, so what I'll suggest you, use the GitHub icon instead of writing the complete word and then embed the link. And you can write the live part below the timeline. Okay. The Fig Pro is okay. Rename it to skills. Write programming languages. Rename coursework to CS fundamentals. Bring SQL to CS fundamentals part. Bring JavaScript to web development category, okay. And in position of responsibility, see, you have written founder at the rate Tech Villa, and again you are telling founded the Tech Villa community. You are using the same words again and again. Instead of this, write what you did in that, what you manage in this community, okay. Like you have written in this, managed all the creatives for the Web3. So what you do is the most important part, okay. And in achievements, you can write like global rank 628 slash and then this part, and give timeline for achievements also. And put your latest made project on the top, and the project which you made a year before, you can put that in at bottom, okay. The last second resume, okay. In LinkedIn, you can attach the LinkedIn icon, GitHub icon. It will look more presentable. Remove the courses. You can write this into skills part in CS fundamentals category. Okay, swap the position of Delhi, India, and academic year, and you don't need to write this word. Just write CGPA this, and don't write third year. Write programming languages, web development, okay, data analytics, soft skills, okay. In soft skills, you can also add problem solving or critical thinking. Okay. In experience, swap the position of timeline and the place. Okay. Projects, don't write the word tools. Give the link here of the project and add the timeline. Don't write like this. Give the like GitHub icon or something else. Certifications are nice. Attach the link of the certification. Give the timeline in which year you did the certification. Add the timeline in which year you did this Desh ke mentor or these society work. Okay. And the Smart India internal hackathon should go into achievement section. So make a separate achievement section and add this Smart India hackathon part into that. This is the last resume. So instead of writing my profile, write LinkedIn and write GitHub. Okay. Remove objective. Education is okay. Don't write this slash word. This is okay. Don't write September. Okay. Just the year. Write percentage. Experience. Okay. Use one more bullet point to explain more about the internship you did. Projects. Okay. Bring this GitHub to here. Okay. Just by the side of project name, add the timeline of the project. Skills, okay. Don't write beginner. If you don't know any language, don't put it in the resume. And never ever add the picture in the resume, okay. Remove beginner. Add CS fundamentals also once you come in third year. Since you are in second year now, no need to write right now, okay. Certifications are okay. Volunteer experience. What you did is the volunteer in this, you need to explain that, okay. In achievements, okay. Finalist, smart. See, in 2024, you participated in Smart India Hackathon. So this thing should come on top and 2023 should go in bottom, okay? So this was all about the resume review and my resume also. If you want to get your resume reviewed by the people who are placed at Cisco, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, you can fill the form given in the description. Our team will review, my seniors will review and send the review on the email. And if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll reply to every comments. And all the best. Make your resume and increase the ATS score as much as you can. Okay. All the best. Bye.